Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I trust you all are doing great. So today we are going to be making this delicious moi moi together. Guys, this is so yummy and it is very easy to put together. You can see how delicious it's looking, and trust me guys, this was so yummy. And so guys, let's get right into the video. So first we are going to soak our beans, then wash the beans properly. We are going to wash the beans until it is very clean, just like this. Then you are going to blend it. I blend this off the camera. I blended it with bell pepper and onions. I was not having fresh pepper. You can as well blend fresh pepper with it, but I was not having fresh pepper, so I just blend it with onions and bell pepper. So now I'm going to be adding chili powder, that is grounded pepper, salt and seasoning cubes. So I went in with some crayfish. So I'm going to be adding the oil. I'm making use of red oil and vegetable oil. So I added the oil into the batter. Okay. So I'm going to mix this until everything is nicely combined. And guys, if today is your first time here, thanks for clicking on this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a video. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Thank you for always coming back to watch my video. I appreciate you all. So guys, we are going to mix just the way you are seeing on this video. And guys, at this point I noticed that the batter was too thick, so I'm going to be adding a little bit of warm water, okay, to loosen it up. So after adding the water, I'm going to mix very well. So guys, at this point our batter is nicely mixed, so I'm going to scrape the edge of the bowl with my spatula, and guys, you can see how beautiful this came out. And guys, this was so delicious. I won't lie, this is a very quick recipe and it doesn't take long to prepare. So I'm going to be making use of nylon. You can use any plastic that you have. You can use nylon, you can use anything. And you can use anything that you have, okay? So I'm going to be adding the batter into my nylon, and I'm making use of egg. And guys, you can also make use of fish. But for this recipe, I'm going to be making use of egg. So I'm going to start tying the batter into the nylon just the way you are seeing on this video, okay? So guys, at this point we are done with everything and it's time to cook our moi moi. So I added some water into my cooking pots, and I'm going to be adding a little bit of sticks, and I'm making use of this bag. You can also make use of you know those moi moi paper. If you have it, you can make use of that. And this is what I'm making use of. So next thing is to transfer the Thai moi moi into my cookie pot, and I'll just place them into the pot just the way you are seeing. Then once I'm done with it, I'm going to add in more water. That will be enough for the moi moi to cook. So I added some water and I'm going to cover this to cook. I cooked this for about 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour 10 minutes because the moi moi was big. So that's it, guys. At this point, moi moi is ready, and trust me, this was so yummy. Look at that. Look how lovely and yummy is looking. So guys, at this point we are just going to serve and enjoy. So guys, what will you be eating this with? I ate mine with some fresh pap. I make the pap and I ate it with my delicious moi moi. So guys, what will you be eating this with? Please let me know in the comment section. So guys, thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like this video. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and turn on your bell icon. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'm going to be seeing you guys in my next one. Bye for now. Bye guys.